Federal judge granting Anthropic's request for a preliminary injunction in its lawsuit against the Trump administration. Mackenzie Sagalos is following that in today's Tech Check. Matt.
So, Mike, here in San Francisco, a federal judge blocking the administration's effort to blacklist Anthropic. Judge Rita Lynn granting a motion to hit pause on both the Pentagon's supply chain risk designation and President Trump's order cutting the company off from federal agencies while the case moves forward. The government now has 7 days to appeal before it takes effect. To be clear, the judge is not ordering the Pentagon to keep using Claude, and she's also not handing Anthropic control over how its tech is used by the military. The government remains free to stop using Anthropic and switch to another AI vendor. In the 43-page order, the judge writes that the government's actions don't appear tied to its stated national security interests at all, but instead look designed to punish Anthropic for criticizing the government's contracting position in the press. For now, her ruling restores the status quo to February 27th, before the directives were issued. That means that the freeze applies not just to the Pentagon action, but also to the president's government-wide ban covering 17 agencies, including NASA and the SEC, that have been moving to cut ties with Anthropic. The legal fight now shifts to Washington, whereas here the case is about constitutional claims, protected speech, and due process. In D.C., the question is whether the administration stretched a law meant for foreign adversary contractors far beyond its intended use. We're expecting a decision from that panel of 3 judges imminently, and if they find in favor of the government, enforcement could get messy fast, leaving in limbo enterprise customers and defense contractors like Palantir that have built critical workflows with Claude Code. Guys?
It's also a question for this IPO, and there's now reports that it could be coming as soon as October. I wonder if the legal proceedings here are going to be worked out by then, and ultimately then what they're going to be able to tell investors about what that means for their business.
Precisely. So if this hold on the designation remains intact, that could last for months while this court case plays out, which would be ostensibly a good thing for the IPO. A lot of these, clients and customers who had to unwind the use of Claude Code could continue to use it while this plays out in court. But what to me is the hardest part of this unwind is really Palantir, because they use multiple models. But right now, their Maven Smart System, the platform that's for military intelligence analysis and weapons targeting, it has multiple prompts and workflows built using Claude Code specifically. So there's just so many questions about the logistics of pulling Anthropic's tech out of these products.